Samgyupsal farm at Fresca Farms. Located in Amadeo Cavite, this cute Korean restaurant started out as a farm, mainly due to the popularity of Samgyup places in the Philippines. The owners decided to turn their farm into a samgyupsal place. Realizing that they were overproducing lettuce was the start. It was not a lot on the initial, but now many tourists are lining up to eat at Fresca Farms. The place is open for events, reunions, and barkada trips. Visit to enjoy a fresh, healthy, and very satisfying experience, environment, and organic setting, leading you to enjoy a peaceful, free, and enjoyable food trip. Samgyupsal Farm is recommended for it brings nature to you. Its name suggests it is located on a farm, so you can enjoy your grilled meats outdoors, surrounded by the cool breeze and beautiful greeneries. This unique Korean restaurant is right for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell.